How's Matt? Have you ever talked to him? Alright, Grandma, well, I'm gonna let you go, okay? Thank you. Alright, bye-bye. Maybe I wasn't trying to ignore you, I was trying to my grandma's. No, it does open, we don't know how. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Okay. Oh, shit. I'm about to break another pan.